Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shasar Classes, Igniting a Passion for Learning. In this channel, I'll be teaching for all the students from class 6 to class 12, Karnataka State Board, CBSE Board, ICSE Board and etc. I'll be covering the full chapter, example questions, exercise problems and also the very important questions related to all the subjects in my channel. In this video, I am going to give you the complete detailed information about the SSLC Karnataka State Board class 10th first language English model question paper as per the reduced syllabus for this academic year 2020-21. As you can see, the subject is first language English and the time duration of the exam will be 3 hours 15 minutes and subject code is 14E. Total marks will be awarded 100 and this is the paper what we are discussing for the regular fresher students, not for the supplementary students. And supplementary students, you have to follow the same scheme and even the same pattern like last year what you have written the board exam. Is this clear? In this session, I am going to provide you the complete detailed information about this model paper, and this is the model paper for Karnataka State Board students. Okay, and you all have to follow the same procedure as what it's been given in this model paper. Is this clear, students? Good. And this is as per the reduced revised syllabus. And here we can see some general instructions are given for the candidates. So please read up these all points and do remember before you face your upcoming board exam. Now let's begin with the paper. This is your first main. As you can see, children, hope you all will take the advantage of this video to understand and learn the question and answers easily. Subscribe to my YouTube channel Shasar Classes and click the bell icon and select all if your notifications are off. So in settings, please enable YouTube notifications so that you can find the notifications as soon we upload any videos through our channel. And this is the channel, it's completely free of cost. We are helping all the deserved students to face the upcoming board exam and to clear the board exam. Okay, behalf of Evershine Coaching Center, we are helping through this YouTube channel Shasar Classes for each and every student. And also we are uploading the very important questions from with respect to all the subjects. So do utilize the opportunity to understand, to learn and also to score very good marks in the upcoming board exam. And do not forget to see the below description box. In that we will share you the links so that it will be definitely very much helpful for you all. Okay, those links. And we are going to give very important questions links and even passing package links, etc. And do not forget to see the description box given below. Got it? And if any students want the PDF of these model papers or something, so please follow me through my Twitter channel, and my Twitter channel name is Shasar Classes. That is my Twitter channel. Follow me over there. I'll be giving the link of PDF of these all model papers. Okay, let's begin. First main, 4 alternatives are given. For each of the following questions are incomplete statements. Only one of them is correct or most appropriate. Choose the correct alternative and write the complete answer along with its letter of alphabet. Here you can see this totally we have 6 questions. Each question carries 1 mark. Totally 6 marks. As you can see here, there is 1 question and 4 options are given. Out of these 4 options, which is the correct answer, you have to choose and write. You have to write the question number, option number and even the final answer. We can see dash French defeated dash Germans. The appropriate articles to be filled in the blanks are. So which is the article you are going to fill to make this as a proper sentence. Next question number 2. He hasn't finished his work yet dash. You have to use the appropriate question tag. These are the 4 options. Out of this, which is the proper and correct question tag, you need to fill the answer over there. Next question number 3. He was an innocent as a newly born babe. The figure of speech used here is. So which is the figure of speech out of this 4? You have to find and write the answer. Next question number 4. The quarrel arose dash the 2 sisters. You have to use the appropriate preposition to fill this blank and make this as a correct statement out of these 4 options. And next, coming back to question number 5. The Second World War dash in 1939. You have to use the correct phrasal verb, okay, to make this as a proper sentence out of these 4 options, which matches or which suits this sentence to make as a proper sentence. Okay. Next, question number 6. My first impression dash at the sight was one of disillusionment. Okay, disillusionment. The correct form of the verb to be filled in this, out of these 4 options, you have to fill which is the correct one. Next, coming back to second main, observe the following relationship in the first pair of words and complete the second pair accordingly in the following. Protect means production, pretend means what you have to write. It may be opposite word, it may be plural, or it may be like anything. Okay, how they have given same form you have to write here. Like herd is cattle, hive is what, rough means smooth, rude means what, you have to write the meaning here. Okay, here slowly means adverb, intelligent is what. Got it? Next, third main, rewrite as directed. Each question carries 1 mark, total 3 marks. Change the voice of the sentence. You have to change the voice. The crowd expected him to arrive at 10. Next, question number 12, change the assertive sentence into exclamatory sentence. You make a very great noise. Next, question number 13, frame a question to get the underlined words as answer. Mr. Joseph met an old woman in the park last night. Okay, you have to make a proper question. You have to frame a question for this given answer. Next, fourth main, answer the following questions in a sentence each. Each question carries 1 mark, total 4 questions, 4 marks. Question number 14, who brought the wrong man into the workers' paradise? 15, who opens the door when Jean goes to get the tart? 16, why had Buttu gone to Dronacharya? 17, what did Della buy for Jim? Next, fifth main, answer the following questions in 2 or 3 sentences each. Each question carries 2 marks. Total you get 7 questions and you can score 14 marks from this main. 18, why did Saint Teresa wish to have a torch and a vessel of water? 19, what did the female Saurus crane do when the hunter went away? 20, how did the peer assure Marion that he would take the greatest care while carrying the pie? 21, why did the boy feel guilty of taking the boat? 22, how did the speaker nourish his suppressed anger? 23, how does Karna describe his loyalty to Dronacharya? 24, what was the condition of the Cyclope when they drank the Greek wine? Sixth main, rewrite as directed. Each question carries 2 marks. You get 3 questions here and you can score 6 marks from this main. Question number 25, change the following sentence into reported speech. You have to change this sentence to reported speech. The teacher said to the boys, I shall prove now that the earth moves round the sun. 26, use the following words in sentences of your own to bring out the difference in their meanings. Option A, refuge. Option B, refuse. By using these words, you have to make your own sentence. Is this clear? Good. And also you have to differentiate their meanings. Use the words in sentences of your own to bring out the difference in their meanings. 27, change the following sentence to the other 2 degrees of comparison. Sachin Tendulkar is one of the most popular cricketers in India. Next, this question, carries, as I have said you, each question carries 2 marks. They have given 3 questions, it carries 6 marks. Next, question number 7, answer the following questions in 6 sentences each. Each question carries 3 marks. You will get 6 questions and you can score 18 marks. 28, how will the development of hydroelectric power help to overcome inadequacy of water supply? 29, describe the effect that the spectacle of the peak had on poet's mind. 30, explain the circumstances that led Buttu to sever his right hand thumb. 31, narrate the events that made Parashurama curse Karna. 32, what ideas of spirituality emerged from the study of the well-known Vachanas, the temple and the body? 33, how did the narrator being blind describe Mussoorie? Or there is an option. It means out of these 2 questions you have to answer any one, but while you are practicing, try to practice both the questions, but in exam you need to attend any one question whenever you get a choice like this. Next, there is a choice question here. Why do we call the scientist Louis Pasteur as an all-rounder. Next, 8th main, explain with reference to the context. Each question carries 3 marks. Total we have 5 questions. It carries 15 marks. 34. I brought a wrong man into this paradise. 35. Take her hat off and let's have a sight at the looks of it. 36. Thank goodness it's a short journey. 37. I told it not, my wrath did grow. 38. Men triumph over women still. 9th main, quote from memory. This is the poem. As you can see here, there are 2 paragraphs are given. You have to answer any one. Each carries 4 marks. This is one and this is one more. Okay, paragraph. Next, 10th main, answer the following questions in 7 to 8 sentences each. Each question carries 4 marks. You get 3 questions and total it carries 12 marks. 40. List all the values which the poet father wants the teacher to teach his lesson. To teach his son. You need to write any 8 points. How did Pasteur develop the idea of immunity? Or explain why water is considered the real elixir of life. Out of these 2 options, you have to answer any one. 42. Describe Anne's life in annex as written by her. Or why does Gandhiji say that a moral act should be done without fear and compulsion? Out of these 2 options, you need to answer any one. Next, 11th main, that is question number 43. You need to read this passage carefully and need to answer the questions from this passage. It carries 4 marks. You get 2 questions. Each question carries 2 marks. Okay, you need to read this passage carefully, understand the story, and after understanding the story, try to attend these questions. Done. Next, 12th main, you need to write the essay about 18 to 20 sentences for any one of the topic. They have given 2 topics here. Out of these 2 topics, you need to answer any one topic. It carries 5 marks. And next we can see here 13th main, imagine you are Revati or Rajesh of Government High School Davangere. Write a letter to the district authority drawing his attention to the urgent need for a government hospital in your locality. Or imagine you are Hemavati or Hemant of Government High School Bidar. Write a letter to a younger brother advising him to take part in sports and games. I hope you all have enjoyed this session and you have understood, and we have given you the enough information about the model paper number 1. In our next video, we are going to share you model paper number 2 and also the other languages. Okay, also we are going to share in our through our YouTube channel Shasar Classes, and do share this video as much as possible with your all the friends, classmates, relatives and your colleagues, and do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel Shasar Classes, and ask your other friends, classmates and everyone to subscribe to our channel and use the opportunity to learn with Shah Faisal sir. Right, good children, and wish you all the best of luck, and comment below how was this class, and if you have liked this video, do not forget to click the like button, and below comment how was this class and also what video you want me to make next. Thank you, keep watching, take care.